Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and fully optimize a Pinterest business account in 2025. Whether you are a blogger, seller, or a content creator, Pinterest can drive tons of free traffic to your website. Before we start, here's why you should care. Pinterest has over 4,500 uh, 40, 450 50 million active users. Pins can drive traffic months after posting. It works great for e-commerce, digital products, and personal brands. SEO is built in. Pinterest is basically a visual search engine. Let's start creating your business account. Go to business.pinterest.com. Click on sign up button. Enter your email address. Create a strong password. Select your birth date. Then click create account. It's simple, easy, right? Now choose your business type like content creator, then click next. Then enter your business name like photography. Select your country from here and enter your website if you have one. Or click I don't have a website. Then click next. Now set your what are your business goal. Set your goal like increase online sales. What is the focus of your brand? Fashion. Then click done. If you already have a personal account, a Pinterest account, you can switch it to a business account from settings. Now select where would you like to start, share ideas, or showcase your brand. Showcase your brand, click next. And that's it. Now let's optimize your profile for visibility. Upload a high quality logo or photo, click change, then choose photo. Then choose a photo from your computer dashboard. Now add a clear display name or your name like the travel blog or photography. Write a keyword rich bio, helping moms find easy recipes, crafts, and family hack. Then tell your story. Add your pronoun like him. Add your website and claim it. And use a username, create a username like enter your email address, choose country code, and Add your phone number, then click Save. Boards are like folders for your content. You will want at least 5 to 10 boards to start. Use keyword focused board names. Like easy keto recipes, Jaya, home decor, digital product marketing, add descriptions with keywords, upload custom board covers for branding. Just click on your profile, then click create it, click create pin. Now it's time to start creating pins that get clicks. Size 1000 into 1000 into 1500 pixel. Use Canva or to design scroll stopping visuals. Add text overlays like top 10 SEO tips or free checklist inside. Use your brand colors and logo. Write a keyword, rich title and description. Choose a board. Use your brand colors and logos. You can create board from here like that. Always include a link to your blog, shop, or landing page. Use Pinterest's built-in scheduler to post consistently. Rich pins pull extra information from your website like article, headlines, or product prices. To enable rich pins, go to developers dot pinterest.com/tool/rich pin. Or search for rich pin for Pinterest. Then click create rich pins and follow the instructions. Sign up with your Pinterest account credentials. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.